Okay, we're on the charter tour bus, ready to do Fantasy of Lights as an entire family. Baby and all. Emily, baby, mommy, daddy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. No, mommy hold baby. You sit.
Nice?
Justin, let me go first.
Huh?
Let me go first.
Sure.
It's going down. Lily, watch where you're going, okay? That's how you're falling.
Come on, Emily. We're gonna walk. What's wrong, Cece?
You think I'm fine?
Emily's enjoying her cupcake.
No, I don't.
Enjoying your cupcake?
You like your cupcake, Millie?
Mint.
Yours, I'm like half.
Emily's enjoying her tater tots.
Tater tots.
I'm enjoying my pulled pork.
Baby enjoying her nap.
Cece's enjoying her nap. Oh, she's awake. She's moving around. No, she's asleep. She's just having a dream. Oh, the cupcakes do that. Look at the dinosaur, Emily.
Lily, you wanna walk? Walk?
There's that one. There's a volcano up ahead. The volcano's kind of cool. There's other ones. There's like pterodactyls. That thing, Dilophosaur, whatever. Triceratops. There's a couple cool ones. Pterodactyls. Roar! Emily's definitely amused.
Baby's me.
Emily, look at that one. Look at that one.
Look at that one, colorful.
More. Rawr. I'm gonna pull to the side and turn around. Turn it. Oops, sorry. Lights. Wow. Mess.
And baby's asleep.
Yeah.
Baby's asleep.
Passed out. Emily's enjoying it. Wow. Nice.
Lily, look at the camera.
Coming back.
Oh my god, things got so heated between me and this guy last night. Like, we were arguing about, for some reason, he asked about pro-life, pro-choice, and I was like, and at some point, I was like, yeah, I'm like, we don't want to go down that pit. Like, but he was at like 12, so I was too tired to like go against it. I was like, sure, whatever. And he's like,